Do you want to move in all Merida without driving? Okay, this video is for you. Hey guys, thank you for being here. Yes, today I'm going to share with you a useful common public transport that honestly you are a resident or you are a tourist and you want to know the common style life for local people here in Merida. Okay, the public transport is called van even. Before to take those bus, you need to buy a card, and those card you are able to buy it on options. Yes, is this one, the green. The green because it's general people. Exists another color in this card who is yellow, but well, that card is for students or for old people. Yes. But in this case, this card is for general people who use when you pay normal. And according the website about this, and public transport, you pay in your first trip 12 Mexican pesos. The second trip you pay 6 Mexican pesos. And the trip you pay nothing. And honestly, and to be honest with you, I use a lot this public transport all my week because for my work and more because maybe and you are a resident, that in Merida in certain hours there is a lot of traffic. Yes. And well, in these kinds of public transport, honestly, is completely useful first because sometimes you avoid certain accidents with the car, and second because you are able to spend your time reading or listening on podcasts or watching the view about the city. Yes, honestly, you are able to enjoy the moment more if you are a resident or you are a tourist and you want to know more about the local people. I know that if you want to understand the culture about any state, you need to trip in their own public transport. And believe me, when you live the experience, any city is completely different. My recommendation for you when you use this bus is the first, when you buy this card, is of course download the app because this bus have an app. The most interesting about this app and give you the real information about any line. Yes, because this bus function in route. Yes, this line go in this route, the second line goes in this route, and the third line goes in this route. Yes, as a metro. Yes, I have that opportunity to live in Mexico City, and well, always I enjoyed to trip in the metro. Well, I think it's the same, maybe like a metrobus, because in Mexico City it's a metrobus. Is completely the same that this public transport. My recommendation for you is trying to know the route in the app and show you the map. For example, this is the app. Sorry, because it's not easy to show you. But well, in this app and show you. No, sorry. And well, I'm going to show you a screenshot. Yes, for example, in this point and show you the lines. Yes, any bus have the own number, the specific number. Yes, and when you touch that line and show you what is the route about that line. Yes, and when you know it, when you see this symbol and you push in the app that you are in this place, and that app give you, okay James, okay Luis, you are here and in this place, you are able to take these lines. Yes, the number 1, the number 3, the number 21. If those lines goes in different route. Yes, that is the point. You need to be completely revise small detail in this app. Is my recommendation. To be honest with you, in the beginning it was completely difficult to understand it because I was worried about my destination. Yes, use this route. But when I understand this public transport function as a metro, I understand it's completely useful. The most important is you need to know the route. And well, this card is reshared, and you need to reshare it on Optus in 100 Mexican pesos, 200 Mexican pesos, and I don't know the limit, maybe 500 Mexican pesos. But well, guys, you know it. In the first trip, 12 pesos. The second trip, the half, and the three trip, you pay nothing. But depend the line, yes, because in the website show you use another style bus because it exists different style bus. For example, Va y Ven, and then another name is Etram. It's the same, but well, it's more modern bus, more ecologic, more it's more beautiful, it's more comfortable. Well, in that bus you pay more. Yes. But well, guys, that is my recommendation for you if you want to know all this city. Only use public transport, but and useful and comfortable. And yes, I know Merida is hot. Those buses, those buses has air conditions. I don't promotion this bus. Only is my recommendation for you if you want to know more about this city and without spend more money in Uber or in taxi. Believe me, take open your time and know this public transport. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe in this channel. Please share me if you have that opportunity to use this public transport. Share your experience in the comments. And before to leave, I'm going to recommend this video because in this video I share with you a guide who is completely useful if you want to know more about Merida. Thank you for watching. Nos vemos pronto.